this is Huobi Point Card Ultimate Guide, because I'm going to take you through about 5 to 7 point things that may be question you have in mind about Huobi Point Card. First, we'll discuss about what is Huobi Point Card, how do you buy Huobi Point Card, how do you use Huobi Point Card when you have it, can you transfer Huobi Point Card to a third party, and I will also discuss about some other things like can you transfer it, like I said, can you withdraw, what are the things you can use Huobi Point Card to. So it's going to be in depth, and I need for you to know that this particular video is not sponsored, though maybe if this video push out there, Huobi may decide to partner, but as at the time of doing this video, be rest assured that I am doing everything based on my knowledge of Huobi Point Card, and I will appreciate it in the comment box if you have any question, if you have any addition or personal experience of using Huobi Point Card. Write in the comment box. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video to help others discover, because at the end of the video I will share with you secret to save up to 50 to 80% on your trading fee on Huobi using Huobi Point Card secret. So if you are here for that, then welcome to today's video. I am Solomon Foske, and here is Coach Solve question and answer crypto and blockchain app. Let's get through into the video. I need to let you know that crypto is a risky investment or trading. So with that, this is not for financial or investment advice. So please do your own research very well before you engage, and only trade or invest in crypto what you can afford to lose 100%. If you can't, it's better you stay off. That being said, let's get fully into today's video. Now, let's start with this. What is Huobi Point Card? Huobi Point Card is a trading card that was created by Huobi Global on their platform. Let's think about Amazon gift card, which is just like you have money and then you have converted it into a gift card. Once you load it, you can use it to pay and shop on Amazon. So that's the same way. It's like a gift card version on Huobi global exchanges, which means when you have it, you can use it to do some things and make some payment on that exchange. So that's what Huobi Point Card is all about. Now to the second part, which is how do you get Huobi Point Card? Like I said, if you stick to the end of the video, I will give you some tips to even save up to like 50 to 80% in the process. So basically, let me just give you an hint on that. Number one way you can get that is for you to get it from somebody that already have Huobi Point Card, which means they can transfer to you, and that also answer the question that can I transfer Huobi Point Card from one Huobi account to the other? Yes, you can. So you can get Huobi Point Card from somebody that already has it by visiting your Huobi Point Card or Huobi account, maybe on the web or on the mobile app. Any of it, go to the section of the fee and some things like that, where you can be able the transfer, where you can be able to transfer from one third party account to your account, or whichever way. So that's how you can get. Another option is for you to get access to the promotional sales. This I will talk more in depth, and in case I skip it, but I will try to ensure I had it up at the end of the video, because it will help you to save a lot, up to 50 to 65 or even 80% on your next trading fee and some other things like that on Huobi Global. So now, since you know what Huobi Point Card is about and you know how to get it, then how do you use it? What do you use Huobi Point Card for? if you want to use Huobi point card, there are some steps you need to take. First, let's look at how do you use it, and then what do you use it for. So how do you use it? You need to activate, because by default Huobi point card is not the default. You usually pay when you trade on Huobi, you buy, sell, you pay normally from the crypto you are using to buy, or your USDT and things like that. For you to start using Huobi point card, you will need to go under your settings under fee and activate it there. So if you don't activate it, it won't be automatically used for your account. So for you to have that, you need to activate that ready. Now once you have that ready, go to your the fee, under the fee settings, for you to select use Huobi point card. But note that before you can even have that, you need to have Huobi point card in your account. That's why I've discussed how you can get it. Once you have it, or you have a friend or third party that want to sell it or give it to you, then you should be able. But be very careful from falling into hand of fraudulent people, from picking up and saying they are selling. So except you have like a friend or something, be careful of buying Huobi point card from third party, except from Huobi itself. Except you have a friend that have it and want to transfer to you, you know it's a friend you can trust, but not just anybody claiming online to be selling Huobi point card. Be very careful of that. So that being said, once you have it activated, that Huobi should be able to pick it as your payment fee, trading fee payment source. The next thing you need to do, for you, things you can now use it for, is majorly for trading fee. For example, the rate of Huobi point card is equal to 1 USDT trading fee. So that means if you have 100 Huobi point card, you are equivalent of having 100 USDT. If you have 5,000 Huobi point card, then you are having equivalent of 5,000 USDT in your account to pay for trading fee. So majorly, like I said, what do you use Huobi point card for? Majorly, it was created as a payment fee on Huobi global exchanges. So that means you use it to pay for your trading fee. So as you are trading, instead of just like if you are on Binance, for example, you can use BNB. So usually you can also use HT. That's the default Huobi token to pay. But this even save you more, especially if you use the trick I will be showing you at the end of this video. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to get that. And don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell, like the video, share it with others to take advantage of this. And at the same time, I want to know what's your experience using Huobi point card in the comment section. And if you have any question or anything I didn't cover in this video, let me know in the comment, and I could do another part 2 of this video and answer all those questions for you. So that being said, we have been able to look at what is Huobi point card, how do you get it, what are the uses, and how do you activate it. And I've also answered the question, can you transfer it? Another question I want to answer is, can you withdraw Huobi point card? No, you cannot withdraw Huobi point card. You can only use it for Huobi fee, trading fee, not for you to withdraw it as a fiat or something. No, you can't do that. But remember, you can transfer it to somebody. So for example, if you have a friend and you need cash, for example, you can decide to transfer it to the friend and get a cash. So that's the only way I think a workaround for you. If you have enough Huobi point card and you want a cash, then if you have a friend that is also using Huobi, then you can tell them, they pay you in cash and you transfer the Huobi point card to them. Another thing that I also want to answer as a question on that Huobi point card is that what other things can you use Huobi point card to do apart from paying trading fee? Another thing is you can use it for margin. the margin loan fee and some things like that, you can use Huobi points card to pay for it. So that's another advantage of it. So now another question to answer is that if you have Huobi point card activated and you are trading, maybe your balance is not, how does Huobi balance that? For example, if you trade and your trading fee is like $200, for example, USDT, now the worth of that, and you have Huobi point card just worth like maybe 150 Huobi point card, which is equivalent to $1 pound. That's equivalent to 150 USDT. So what Huobi does that they deduct the point card first, and then remove the other 50 balance to make the 200 from the other account. So it's like there is priority first for the Huobi point card. The moment you have it and you have selected it as the payment, either for your margin or normal trading fee. So like I said at the end of the video, so if you have watched to the end, then check if you are already subscribed to the channel. The channel is basically a crypto and blockchain frequently asked question and answer platform. I can check the website as well for you to be able to get access to a lot of questions we have there, and I post almost on daily basis for almost 42 days now. I've been posting on daily basis, answering different crypto question and answer. With your support, I'm looking at doing this for the next 1 year at least. So that means at least having over 350 frequently asked questions in different aspects of crypto with their answer, usually within a short time. But I've decided to do this long video as an ultimate guide, and if I see positive response on me, I will do more of this. And if there is any other aspect of crypto as well, crypto exchange, DeFi, NFT developer, because I'm also a programmer, so, and also into SEO and all those things. So whatever you have relating to that, building crypto coin and things like that as well, you can ask me in the comment, and then I can pick those video I need to do another ultimate guide on. So another thing that I've promised at the end of the video is how do you save more. That take me back to how do you get Huobi point. I told you, number one, you can get it from third-party transfer through the web or app transfer. You can buy it from a friend, but be careful. There's no official market where you just go and buy it. Be careful of fraudsters, not to go and buy it from them. So two is that there is option for promotional sales. So this is where the secret lies. Around March, I think early of the year, when it was introduced, Huobi launched a very massive discount. I said a massive discount. If I can pull it on the screen, you'll be able to see it, where they sold like 200 Huobi points card worth 200 USDT for just 90 USDT. You can imagine that. That's like 55% discount. They sold about what 100,000 like 50,000 for like Huobi point card for just about 18,000, like 17,000 something, or 18,000. That's about 65%. So that means the moment you are buying that card, you have already saved 65% on your trading fee. That's already a huge profit for you. If you are trading a kind of huge sum, 1,000, 5,000, 10,000 or more, 100,000 USDT or Bitcoin like that on Pro or Huobi exchange. So that's the secret is now for you to go and subscribe to Huobi email newsletter on their website. I think I should be able to have my link in the description as affiliate, so I can add that. I just remember that I should be able to check my account and get the affiliate link. Like I told you, this is not sponsored. I'm here to help especially newbies and those that are just going in crypto to get the best, answer your questions and as fast as possible in a short video. And anytime I see I have combined question, I can put them together to create an ultimate guide like this Huobi point card ultimate guide. And I told you, if you like it, let me see your like. If you don't, you can also dislike. It's optional. Any question, ask, and I can do another version or any other video you want me to do. So once you subscribe to it, the benefit is that whenever they are running a promotion, you will be one of the first set of people to get it. So, and you can imagine when they are selling a 50,000 Huobi point card for just 17,000 plus or 18,000. Such an offer don't last. In fact, the moment they send it out and launch, people just bought it off. So those are the things you need to know. It's a secret you need to know. You need to stay on their list and check when they receive you see, so that anytime they sell it, presently they are not selling it again. But anytime they are selling it, which I can't say, I don't have insider information. But in case I eventually have insider information about possibly when, I can hint you probably in my future video. That's why you should subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified. So another thing I think I need to also add to it. Now before you go, I also have a crypto gem list gift for you. Just visit codesolve.com/gift and follow the instruction there. You have access to list of low cap crypto gem list you can check out. Remember, do your own research. It's not a financial advice. So that's it. If this video has really helped and you want me to be showing in ultimate guide like this, combine 5, 6, 7 or even more free FAQ crypto questions and answer for you, then let me know in the comment below. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Don't forget to share this video and let's grow this community together. Follow me on TikTok, follow on Twitter, that's CodeSolve, on TikTok, CodeSolve as well, CodeSolve Crypto, where I drop every day short video about crypto, airdrop and a lot of things. That's it. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Peace.